Hello everyone, this is Anshika Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are really doing well and thank you so much for your all love and support. So guys, today I am here to make a new video about the fashion designing only, and today I am just sharing you some textile knowledge. Today I am just telling you about cotton. Cotton is a very common fabric used by every single person over here, but there are various type of cottons which we identify in different garments. So today in this video I am going to tell you the types of garments and the types of cotton fabrics we use in those garments. I hope you will like this video and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So guys, as you know that behind me there are plenty of fabrics hanging and they all are of cotton. So today in this my video I am going to show you different type of fabrics we wear in our daily schedules, but they all seems to be the same cotton, but they are not. There are different type of cottons we use in our daily life, whether we are wearing t-shirts, trousers, suits, kurtis or pants. So today I am going to show you certain garments which we can specify according to the fabric. That will be very helpful to you, and in future we will get to know which type of fabric we can use in making different type of garments. So the cotton fabric we obtain from the plants, and it's of course natural fiber, and the cotton is the most used fabric in human life because we use cotton in every schedule of ours, whether we are wearing pants, t-shirts or innerwears, we always use cotton. That's why cotton plays a very important role in a human life, but we have to always differentiate which type of cotton should be used in the various garments. So guys, as I am showing you the garments and you can identify that, all your queries and comments are so welcome. So guys, first of all I am taking the t-shirts, which is the very common used garment in our daily use. So it is made up of cotton only. I am taking different kind of two t-shirts. The one is solid one, the one is textured one. This is blue color and this is green color. I am going to explain you what is the difference between this solid t-shirt and this textured cotton t-shirt. So guys, here is the solid t-shirt of blue color. So I am going to tell you what are the features we use this fabric in t-shirt, which is commonly known as cotton hosiery fabric. It is quite thick cotton compared to the other ones, and its fitting is so good that it doesn't vary according to the physique, whereas compared to other textured fabrics, and this fabric doesn't lose any of the colors we dye or of the natural fabric. As you can see, it is very fine fabric with the solid weave, and when we wear these sort of t-shirts, it really enhances our look. So guys, this is the feature of plain solid t-shirt. So guys, here is another one, the solid texture t-shirt. Now I am going to tell you what is the difference between the solid one and the texture one. I have already told you the qualities about the solid one, and for the textured one, as you can see, it's in green color. Rather, its fabric is literally very different than the solid one. Yet the fabric is very good, but it is also said to be cotton fabric, and it is really lightweight. The first feature in this is it's really lightweight, and after the lightweight, when we wear it, it really smooths on our skin. It really falls very good on our skin. It doesn't feel that we are wearing something heavy on ourselves. So guys, now let's start with some kurtis. Kurtis are very commonly used, and yet it is a very elegant piece we use daily in our daily schedules, like moving to the office, moving to somewhere in the market, being at home. It is said to be one of the most decent garment a female can wear. So here is a cotton kurti with little bit of embroidery on it. First of all, I am going to explain you that which type of cotton is used and why we used cotton in kurtis. So guys, this is a very good form of cotton which is weaved according to the golden plates. In this, as you can see, there are golden lines in this, so it means the fabric is weaved according to that. And this type of fabric when we use in kurtis tends to be very good, and they are literally good looking and protective to the body. It doesn't harm our skin. So this type of cotton fabric, which is said to be the proper cotton fabric, we should always use in our kurtis, so that our kurtis really look very elegant and doesn't destroy our skin. So guys, as you can see, we just see this kurti from behind. As you can see that it is the same weave which is appearing at the back side, the golden ones. It means the fabric which is used in this kurti is already weaved according to the golden lines. You can get the solid fabric for the kurtis from the market in a good manner. Just you want to see that the cotton fabric which you are taking should be in good texture. When we touch the fabric, we literally know about the fabric. So we have to develop that sense to know about the fabric. So guys, now I would like to explain you about the next one, the next garment which is in cotton only. This is a A-line kurti, but this fabric is little bit in good fabric and the thick fabric compared to the previous one. As you can see, the print on it is very smooth and very good. It is mainly said to be the Bagru print or Sanganeri print, which is really famous in Jaipur, and this fabric is quite thick from the normal cotton, which is said to be cotton khadi. This pattern really attracts our body a lot, and when we wear that, we can also wear these type of fabric in winters. And then we can wear any of our jackets and all. But wearing these fabric really gives a very rich look. We can wear this type of fabric, especially the Bagru print, the Sanganeri print from Jaipur, at anywhere. But talking about the fabric, this fabric is cotton khadi, which is quite thick than the cotton fabric. So whenever you want to make something in cotton and you want it should be thick, not the lightweight, you can use the cotton khadi fabric, which is easily available in the markets. So guys, here I am demonstrating the another garment which we use in our daily lives, which are pants. Pants are also made up of cotton. Mainly we use the cotton pants under kurti also, and under our tank tops and the long tops also. As if you gonna see it, you can just observe that the weave of this cotton is really very good, which means the cotton fabric which is used in this is very thick, which is said to be mainly cotton khadi, but not the proper cotton khadi. But yeah, cotton khadi is used so that these thickness of these pants are really very good and can be worn in any season and at any place. We should not worry about wearing the lightweight cotton fabric. These type of cotton fabric can be available in the market very easily, and you can make pants of it. So mainly while using pants, just use cotton khadi so that it will not harm your skin, and it will look really very good look, whether you wanna wear it under kurtis, under t-shirts, under tops, anywhere. So always use little bit of thick cotton fabric when you are using for the pants. So guys, here at the last but not the least, I am going to explain you about dupattas. The fabric which is used in dupattas are different type of fabrics, but today as we are talking about the cotton fabric, so this is the cotton fabric, as it is in very lightweight, and this is a very thin fabric which is categorized in linen actually. But mainly we can get this type of cotton in the linen form, but it mainly falls in the cotton category. So we can use this type of cotton for the dupattas, which is really thin and it really don't weight us much so that to carry a dupatta. So always for dupatta we should use very lightweight fabric. So guys, hope you have liked this video and I have explained about the cotton fabric and their usages. I hope this will be beneficial for you. If you have liked this video, then turn my grey thumbs up into blue. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press on bell icon so that you can get all the notifications in the future for my upcoming videos. Enjoy, help needy people, take care, see you soon, bye bye.